Nyama tugo tuke mag rugby jotugo 7 kon gi koni biro chako ikruok margi motelone tuke mag Olimpik higa manyien bang' yudo tiko e tugo mag pinje Afrika mane obagi e boma ma Harare mani Zimbabwe. Shujaa nomolo pacho kaendi midhiambo manyoro kendo yudo rwak gi wer mopoto. Kenya nobedo gi jotugo 6 mawelo e tim, kata kamano ne girodho tim mar Afrika ma milambo points 17 kuom 12 e finals mag pinje Afrika. Shujaa noromnegi gi jotelo mag riwruok matayo tuke mag rugby pachoka kaachiel gi jotelo mawuok e riwruok matayo tuke mag Olympics.
Qualifying is just the easy part. Now the hard work begins, because now in the Olympics itself, we're going to meet tough opposition. So now is when the hard work begins. It's work that we are really ready to take on heads on. Like I said, these boys are very adventurous, and these boys are very courageous in terms of they don't fear anybody. I'll say this boldly. We're going to put in some good work, and we're not just going to participate in the Olympics. We're going to compete.
Continue having our commitment to work very closely with you, to collaborate with government, so that we can get this team prepared the best way possible with the support of everyone. As you take your 10 days rest, as you come back to train, we are completely behind you, because our commitment is always behind the team before the start line.